Welcome to the PhenomeOne tutorial video. This video recording will explain how to import a set of germplasm to the system quickly and easily. PhenomeOne has multiple data upload wizards, so to understand how to upload what, let's first introduce you the data layers possible. There are 4 data layers for the genetic material. The germplasm. This is the main layer. This is the genetic material, like seeds or plants that exist or existed in the past. Below is the lot. This layer is available only with the inventory module and supports the different lots for this germplasm. Example, the seeds of this germplasm were divided to 2 lots, white seeds and black seeds. Above is the cultivar layer. This is a code for a group of germplasm belonging to the same lineage, kind of a high name for these germplasm that have similar genetic. Example, F6, F7, F8 have the same cultivar name. Above is the variety layer, only for germplasm that are chosen to be potential varieties and start the product life cycle. So, one germplasm can have multiple lots, 1 lot in Spain and 1 lot in France. One cultivar can have multiple germplasm, F7, F8, F9. One variety can also have multiple germplasm. Every variety is also a cultivar, but not all cultivars necessarily advance to be varieties. In addition to these layers, the germplasm is planted in one or multiple trials, and they contain trial data that can also be uploaded. For more information, search for the upload field and upload phenotypic study article. In this example, we will focus on uploading a germplasm set. The germplasm set represents genetic material of any type, breeding lines, parental lines, hybrids, introductions, accessions, and so on. The upload mechanism will allow me to import a list of germplasm, their linkage to previous generations, and any attribute they may have, such as pedigree name, generation, marker data, etc. In my example, I have some breeding lines, some hybrids, and some controls, introductions from external sources. All of them must contain a unique name, a unique code number, and/or letters that do not repeat in the crop. Find your unique name in your columns of your files and mark it as the unique name of your germplasm. In addition, you can add different attributes such as generation, source, marker data, and even phenotypic data taken on germplasm when it was harvested, like color, shape, segment. If you wish to create a linkage between the generation and get the full pedigree tree in your breeding program, this is where to do it. Add to your file a column with the unique name code of the previous generation. For lines, we call the previous generation the female, and for hybrid, the previous generation contain female and male. Before the upload, make sure the column titles are in row 1 of the document and titles are written correctly. Save your document in a CSV comma-delimited format. From now, it will take 2 minutes to upload your data. Back in the system, stand on the folder name, click Action, and add the germplasm set. Name your germplasm set. And click OK. Then return to the Action button to click on Upload. Choose the file from your computer. Adjust your file format if you are in a European computer to support the comma-delimited columns, and click on Upload. The titles of the columns in the CSV files appears on the left. Classify the column by a drag and drop to the different boxes as follows. The name column will go to the genotype box. This is the unique name of the germplasm, and this is the only mandatory field in the upload. Other columns will be represented as attributes, like generation, source, market data, etc. If you have attributes that might contain long text value, drag them to the long text box, such as pedigree name or remark, comments, etc. The female and the male will create the linkage between the germplasm and the previous generation. So for that you have to drag female to the female box and male to the male box and click OK. In the pop-up message, you will see in red germplasm or variables that are created in the system together with the upload. So we have 15 new germplasm that are going to be added. But some of them already exist in the system and they will appear in green. This summary window serves also as a warning. If you expect something to be green and it's red, you should check again your file. Click OK to continue. When your file is uploaded successfully, by the way, you can look at the job icon and see the upload job running and finished with the status V. The columns display in the grid except for the parents. If you want to display the previous generation that you just uploaded, go to the left action button and click on Define Germplasm column. You have to drag any column to the right, and instead of displaying the self, you double click on it to display the female pedigree name and the male pedigree name. That will bring automatically the name column. They will appear with a pink and blue icon. In addition, you can arrange your columns by clicking on the Columns to Show button in the toolbar and display only the columns that you wish to see in your specific order to the right. That's it.